Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Welcome to Get By in Greek. I'm Christina Koukounara.
And I'm Giorgos Giannouloupoulou.
In these 5 programs, we'll be finding out how to cope with everyday situations in Greece. The kind of situations you're bound to find yourself in if you visit Greece as a tourist or on business.
Buying a cup of coffee, for example.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
Going shopping.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
Eating out.
Τον κατάλογο, παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
And finding your way around.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο, παρακαλώ?
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
In the 5 Get By in Greek programs, we'll be finding out how to do all these things with the help of recordings specially made in Athens, and there will be plenty of opportunities to practice all the things you need to say. In fact, you'll find you need to say surprisingly little to get by. But it's just as important to understand what people are saying to you, to listen out for key words and phrases so that you get the gist of what's being said, even when you can't understand every word.
When it comes to reading Greek, the alphabet is a little different from the English one, but you'll soon start to recognize shop signs, street names, and so on. There's a pronunciation guide to help you in the Get By in Greek book. You'll also find the conversations you hear in the programs written out in the book. And if you try to read these out loud before and after each program, you should soon be reading all the Greek you need.
But during the programs, you should be concentrating on understanding the Greek you hear and on practicing the words and phrases you need to say. We'll begin with hello and goodbye.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Χαίρετε.
Χαίρετε.
Χαίρετε. Γεια σου. Γεια σου.
Now listen to the first one again.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Hello. Γεια σας is a polite way of saying hello, and you can use it when you're talking to a shopkeeper, for example, or your hotel receptionist.
And it's also what you say when you're talking to more than one person.
It's particularly useful because you can use it at any time of day. Try saying Γεια σας after Yorgos, in the pause, nice and confidently.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας. Try it again. Γεια σας. Γεια σας is a very useful expression, in fact, because as well as hello, you can also use it to say goodbye. Another polite way of saying hello and goodbye is χαίρετε.
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 Try it. Χαίρετε.
Again. χαίρετε.
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 But if you want to say hello to just one person, someone you know fairly well, you need to say
Γεια σου. Γεια σου.
You try saying γεια σου.
Γεια σου.
You'll often use γεια σου with someone's name, like Angeliki and Nikos.
Γεια σου, Αγγελική.
Γεια σου, Νίκο.
Γεια σου, Χριστίνα.
Γεια σου, Γιώργο. When a Greek name ends in an S, like Nikos or Yorgos, you leave off the S when you're speaking directly to the person. So it's Γεια σου, Γιώργο. Now it's your turn. In the pause, you say hello to Yorgos. Remember to leave the S off. So, hello, Yorgos. Γεια σου, Γιώργο. Now, try again.
Γεια σου, Χριστίνα.
And like γεια σας and χαίρετε, γεια σου can also mean goodbye, and you can use it at any time of day. And to get by, that's all you need to say. Γεια σας or χαίρετε when you're being polite or saying hello or goodbye to more than one person. and yasu when it's just one person you know fairly well.
And you can use yasas, χαίρετε, or yasu as a reply to any of the many ways Greeks have for saying hello and goodbye.
There are different words in Greek for good morning, good evening, good night, goodbye, and so on. And even though you don't have to say them, it's important to be able to recognize them. So first, good morning.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα.
Kalimera.
Kalimera.
You'll hear people use kalimera until lunchtime. During the afternoon, use χαίρετε. After that, it's kalispera. Good evening.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα.
Kalispera.
Kalispera.
And when you've been out for the evening and people are saying good night, it's kalinichta.
Καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα σας.
Kalinichta sas. Sas at the end makes it a bit more formal. Kalinichta sas. And as well as kalinichta sas, you may also hear kalimera sas and kalispera sas. Now listen again to make sure you know when people are saying good morning, good evening, and good night.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα.
Καληνύχτα σας.
Finally, there is one very useful word that you can use to say goodbye to anyone at any time of day. Listen.
Αντίο σας.
Αντίο.
Αντίο σας.
Addio or adiosas. Listen again.
Αντίο σας.
Αντίο.
Αντίο σας.
Now you try saying addio.
Addio.
And adiosas.
Adiosas.
Now, once you've said hello, just as in English, you'll want to go on to say, how are you? And to be able to reply if someone asks how you are.
In this next recording, Mr. Papas meets Mrs. Smith. Listen out for Kyrie Papa, Mr. Papas. And remember, you often leave off the S when you're speaking directly to someone. And Kyria Smith, Mrs. Smith. But, first of all, what time of day is it? Listen.
Καλησπέρα κύριε Παπά.
Καλησπέρα σας κυρία Σμιθ. Τι κάνετε?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ.
What time of day? Evening. Kalispera. What did Mr. Papas ask after he'd said good evening to Mrs. Smith? Listen.
Καλησπέρα κύριε Παπά.
Καλησπέρα σας κυρία Σμιθ. Τι κάνετε?
He asked, Τι κάνετε? How are you? Listen.
Καλησπέρα σας κυρία Σμιθ. Τι κάνετε?
Τι κάνετε? How are you? And what does Mrs. Smith say?
Καλησπέρα σας κυρία Σμιθ. Τι κάνετε?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς? Well, thank you. You?
Ευχαριστώ is thank you. Listen carefully to Christina, and then you try ευχαριστώ, putting lots of emphasis on the O sound.
Ευχαριστώ. Ευχαριστώ.
Now try well, thank you. Καλά, ευχαριστώ.
Καλά, ευχαριστώ.
Εσείς is you. I'm well, thanks. You. Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Now you say, καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
And how is Mr. Papas?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ.
He's very well. Πολύ καλά. Now listen to the whole of the recording.
Καλησπέρα κύριε παπά.
Καλησπέρα σας κυρία Σμιθ. Τι κάνετε?
Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ.
As well as saying how you are when someone asks, you may want to take the initiative and ask them first. So, you'll need to say, "Τι κάνετε?" Listen carefully to how Christina's voice goes up and down, and then you try.
Τι κάνετε? Τι κάνετε?
And if the answer is, "Καλά, ευχαριστώ, εσείς," you reply, "Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ." Try. Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ.
Πολύ καλά, ευχαριστώ. But Mr. Papas and Mrs. Smith have only just met one another, so things are quite formal. When you meet someone you've got to know quite well, you'd be more likely to say, "Γεια σου." In this recording, two friends, Katie and Maria, meet each other. Listen out for how Katie goes on to ask Maria how she is.
Γεια σου Κέτι. Γεια σου Μαρία. Τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Καλά.
Instead of "Τι κάνετε," Katie says "Τι κάνεις." It's less formal.
Now listen again, this time for Maria's reply.
Γεια σου Κέτι. Γεια σου Μαρία. Τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Καλά.
Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Μια χαρά is an expression you'll often hear between friends. It means everything's fine. Have a go at μια χαρά.
Μια χαρά.
And because they're good friends, Maria doesn't say εσείς to ask Katie how she is. What does she say? Listen.
Γεια σου Μαρία. Τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά. Εσύ?
Εσύ? You? So now practice the whole phrase. Μια χαρά. Εσύ?
Μια χαρά. Εσύ?
How does Katie say she is well?
Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Καλά.
Καλά.
Again, if you were the one to speak first, you'd ask "Τι κάνεις?" So now try. Τι κάνεις?
Τι κάνεις?
And when the other person says "Μια χαρά, εσύ," you can simply say "Καλά." Try. Καλά.
Καλά.
Γεια σου Κέτι. Γεια σου Μαρία. Τι κάνεις? Μια χαρά. Εσύ? Καλά.
Now we'll practice some of these expressions to see if you can remember them. Mr. Papas has just met you at Athens airport. Yorgos will be Mr. Papas. Say hello to him. Γεια σας, or χαίρετε, κύριε Παπά. Try again.
Καλημέρα. Τι κάνετε?
Tell him you're fine, thank you, and ask him how he is. Καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσείς?
Πολύ καλά. Ευχαριστώ. Now you meet your friend Maria. This time I'll tell you what to say. First, hello Maria. Γεια σου Maria.
Γεια σου.
Now ask her how she is. Τι κάνεις?
Μια χαρά. Εσύ?
Tell her you're well. Καλά.
During your stay in Greece, one of your first visits will be to a Zacharoplastio. In the summer months, they'll have tables outside on the pavement or in a quiet square. They're very popular at all times of the day as meeting places, where people can chat over a cup of coffee or an ice cream.
You'll find that they're often quite busy during the morning and again in the early evening, after siesta time, when, as well as coffee, people may be drinking enouzo, a typical Greek drink. And after a meal, late in the evening, people go there for a cake or an ice cream or perhaps a brandy.
Now listen to this recording as the waiter comes over to take an order for a cup of coffee.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
Now listen to the first part of the conversation again as the waiter asks the customer what he wants.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ παρακαλώ.
Τι θα πάρετε? What will you have? And what does he order? Listen again.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ παρακαλώ.
A coffee, please. Ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ. Παρακαλώ is please. You can also use it for not at all. Don't mention it. When someone says thank you. Ευχαριστώ. And it's a useful word to attract someone's attention. Try saying παρακαλώ with a stress on the O sound. Παρακαλώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Now try a coffee, please. Ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ.
Ένα καφέ παρακαλώ.
In Greece, though, it's no good just asking for a coffee. Greek coffee comes in very small cups and is very strong, and if you take sugar, it's added before the coffee is made. So you actually have to order it sweet, medium, or without sugar.
Sweet coffee is γλυκό. Medium is μέτριο. And without sugar is σκέτο.
Now listen to the waiter asking the customer how he wants his coffee. Τι καφέ θέλετε? How does he take his coffee?
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
He wants it μέτριο, medium. You try μέτριο.
Μέτριο.
If you've already decided which kind you're going to have, then instead of ordering ένα καφέ, you can ask straight away for ένα μέτριο, or ένα γλυκό, or ένα σκέτο.
You may have noticed that once the waiter had the order, he said αμέσως. Listen.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
You'll often hear αμέσως in cafes and restaurants. It means right away, though there may sometimes be a slight interval before your order arrives.
Now listen to the whole of the recording to make sure you've got it.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
You can get a wide variety of coffee in Greece besides Greek coffee. Many Zacharoplastia serve French or American coffee or Italian espresso and cappuccino. And you can get instant coffee by asking for ένα νες. Try it. Ένα νες.
Ένα νες. In the summer, instant coffee is usually made with ice-cold water and shaken until it has a frothy head. This is called frappé, and you sip it through a straw. Very refreshing when the weather's warm.
But if you want a hot coffee in summer, it's best to say so. Otherwise, your order for ένα νες may well get you a frappé.
Hot is ζεστό. So, a hot instant coffee is ένα ζεστό νες. Listen.
Χαίρετε. Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα ζεστό νες μεγάλα παρακαλώ.
The sugar to go with your instant coffee usually comes in a packet. But if you want milk, you'll need to ask for your coffee μεγάλα, with milk.
Χαίρετε. Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα ζεστό νες μεγάλα παρακαλώ.
ένα ζεστό νες με γάλα. First try ένα ζεστό νες.
Ένα ζεστό νες.
Now, μεγάλα.
Μεγάλα.
And put it all together. Ένα ζεστό νες μεγάλα.
Ένα ζεστό νες μεγάλα.
If you prefer tea to coffee, then there's no problem in Greece. And to order tea, you'll need to say ένα τσάι. Τσάι begins with ts. Try that. Ένα τσάι.
Ένα τσάι. And if you want it with milk, what would it be? Guess. Ένα τσάι μεγάλα. Listen to this customer ordering her tea and see how much Greek you understand already.
Χαίρετε. Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα τσάι μεγάλα παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως.
Now, if you prefer your tea with lemon, you need to ask for ένα τσάι με λεμόνι. Listen.
Χαίρετε. Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα τσάι με λεμόνι.
Αμέσως.
Now you have a go at ordering ένα τσάι με λεμόνι. Ένα τσάι με λεμόνι.
But on a hot day, you may prefer a beer.
Μία μπύρα.
Μία μπύρα, not ένα μπύρα. As in most European languages, the word for one, or a, in Greek, depends on what you're ordering. It will be either ένα or μία, and you'll soon learn which one to use with which word. For now, remember it's ένα καφέ, ένα τσάι, but μία μπύρα.
Try. Μία μπύρα.
Μία μπύρα.
And when you ask for a beer, you may be offered a choice. Listen.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Μια μπύρα παρακαλώ.
Μικρή ή μεγάλη?
Μικρή.
Αμέσως.
So, after the customer asked for μία μπύρα, the waiter needed to know whether he wanted a small beer, μικρή, or a large one, μεγάλη. Listen, which does the customer choose?
Τι θα πάρετε?
Μια μπύρα παρακαλώ.
Μικρή ή μεγάλη?
Μικρή.
Αμέσως.
What did he choose? A small beer, μικρή.
He could have ordered a small beer right away. Μία μικρή μπύρα. And if he'd wanted a large one, about half a liter, he'd have asked for μία μεγάλη μπύρα.
In the next program, we'll be finding out how to order more than one of anything. Before then, at the end of today's program, we'll practice numbers 1 to 5.
But first, how well can you get by? You've just come down from your hotel room first thing in the morning. Say hello to the desk clerk. Γεια σας, or χαίρετε. Outside the hotel, you see your friend Yorgos. Say hello to him. Remember to leave off the S. Γεια σου, Γιώργο. Ask him how he is. Τι κάνεις?
Καλά, εσύ?
Tell him you're fine. Μια χαρά. In the early evening, you fancy a coffee. You sit down at the Zacharoplastio, and Yorgos, who'll be the waiter, comes over to take your order.
Τι θα πάρετε?
A coffee, please. Ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Medium, please. Μέτριο, παρακαλώ. And a beer. And is και. Και μία μπύρα.
Μικρή ή μεγάλη?
Small or large? Small. Μικρή.
Αμέσως.
Here it comes. Say thank you. Ευχαριστώ. If you have time before the next program, read through Chapter 1 of the Get By in Greek book. Do the exercises and have a look at Chapter 2. But before we go, numbers 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you try them, after Yorgos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We'll leave it there for now. So until the next program, γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
End of Cassette 1, Side 1. Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Welcome to Get By in Greek, Program 2.
In today's program, we'll be going shopping, finding out about the Greek you need to say and understand when you want to buy things. In the groceries, for example.
1/4 ζαμπόν,
Ναι,
1/4 φέτα
ναι,
και βούτυρο.
και βούτυρο.
More shopping later.
But before then, how do you go about ordering more than one of anything? You need numbers. Do you remember 1 to 5 from Program 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Try them after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, when it's a matter of ordering just one, that's either ένα or μία.
Ένα καφέ, but μία μπύρα.
Whether you use ένα or μία depends on what you're ordering.
But if you want 2 of anything, it's δύο, whatever you're ordering.
The customer in this next recording asks for 2 beers. Listen out for 2.
Τι θα πάρετε?
2 μπύρες παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως.
So, 2 beers, 2 bires.
Bires. 2 bires.
Listen again.
Τι θα πάρετε?
2 μπύρες παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως.
When you want more than one, bira becomes bires. You order 2 bires.
2 bires.
So, mia bira becomes 2 bires. Listen to how ένα καφέ changes.
Τι θα πάρετε?
2 καφέδες παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέδες θέλετε?
Μέτριους.
Αμέσως.
Instead of ένα καφέ, it's 2 καφέδες.
You try 2 καφέδες.
2 καφέδες.
And when she's asked what sort of coffee she wants,
Τι καφέδες θέλετε?
it isn't metrio, but metrius. Listen.
Τι θα πάρετε?
2 καφέδες παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέδες θέλετε?
Μέτριους.
Αμέσως.
Metrio becomes metrius. And in the same way, glyko, a sweet coffee, becomes glykus. And sketo, a coffee without sugar, sketus. Try metrius.
Metrius. When it comes to ordering more than one of anything, then, not all Greek words change in the same way. Bira becomes bires, café becomes cafedes, metrio changes to metrius, and if you wanted 2 T's, tsai changes to tsaya, and it's 2 tsaya. As for instant coffee, nes stays the same, and it's ένα nes and 2 nes.
You can find all the variations you need in the Get By in Greek book, and people will understand you even if what you say isn't quite right.
Going on to order 3 drinks, 3 beers are 3 bires, and 3 coffees, 3 cafedes. 4 beers, 4 bires, and 4 coffees, 4 cafedes. But with some words you need to use 3 and 4 for 3 and 4. Again, there are details in the Get By in Greek book.
But 5, pende, doesn't change, and it's pende whatever you're ordering.
So now, have a go at ordering some beers and coffees.
First, what are 2 beers?
2 bires.
And 3 coffees?
3 cafedes.
Now, 4 beers.
4 bires.
And finally, 5 coffees.
5 cafedes.
You'd like the medium. What's that?
Metrius.
Now, out shopping. Outside Athens, when you're shopping for self-catering or a picnic, you're unlikely to find a supermarket. You'll need to look out for a pantopolion. They'll sell most of the things you want to eat and drink, including wine. The customer, in this next recording, wants a bottle of retsina. That's the resinated wine Greece is well known for.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα. A bottle of retsina. Try saying retsina. Retsina. Now, Ένα μπουκάλι. Ένα μπουκάλι.
Now try ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα. Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα.
After the customer asks for the wine, the shopkeeper says, Malista, certainly. It's a polite way of saying yes. Then the customer wants to know how much the wine is. Listen.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
He asks, πόσο κάνει? How much does it cost?
80 δραχμές. 80 drachmas. There'll be more about numbers later. For the moment, we'll concentrate on how to ask the price of things. Try πόσο κάνει after Yorgos.
Πόσο κάνει? Πόσο κάνει?
Listen to the whole recording once more.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετσίνα, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
Now listen as this customer buys a quarter kilo of ham. Ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν. She begins with Kalispera, so it must be evening. On 3 days each week, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, Greek shops are open until 1:30 in the afternoon and then reopen in the evening from 5:30 to 8:30. On Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, they don't open in the evening, but stay open until 2:30.
The shopkeeper asks, Τι θέλετε? What do you want? Listen carefully to her order.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα. Τι θέλετε?
Ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν.
Ναι.
She asks for ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν. Ζαμπόν is ham, and ένα τέταρτο is a quarter. A quarter kilo of ham. Try ένα τέταρτο.
Ένα τέταρτο.
And when you ask for a quarter of anything, you just say whatever it is you want straight after ένα τέταρτο. You say ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν.
Ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν.
The shopkeeper replies ναι, another common word like μάλιστα, meaning yes. Try ναι.
Ναι.
Now listen again to make sure you've got it.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα. Τι θέλετε?
Ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν.
Ναι.
In this next recording, the customer wants half a kilo of tomatoes. Μισό κιλό ντομάτες.
Μισό κιλό ντομάτες παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνουνε?
35 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Και εγώ ευχαριστώ.
So, half a kilo of tomatoes is μισό κιλό ντομάτες.
You say μισό κιλό ντομάτες.
Μισό κιλό ντομάτες. And when she wants to pay, she doesn't ask πόσο κάνει, how much does it cost, but πόσο κάνουνε, how much do they cost. Like this.
Πόσο κάνουνε?
35 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Και εγώ ευχαριστώ.
You try. Πόσο κάνουνε?
Πόσο κάνουνε? The tomatoes cost 35 drachmas, 35 drachmas. And after the customer pays and says, ευχαριστώ, the shopkeeper replies, κι εγώ ευχαριστώ, like thank you in English. Listen.
Μισό κιλό ντομάτες παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνουνε?
35 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Και εγώ ευχαριστώ.
Now we'll find out how well you can get by shopping. You go into a small grocer's shop to buy a few items. First, say hello. Γεια σας or χαίρετε.
Καλησπέρα σας. Τι θέλετε?
Tell him a bottle of Retsina. Ένα μπουκάλι Ρετσίνα.
Μάλιστα.
Ask him how much it costs. Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
That's 80 drachmas. And you want a quarter of ham. Ένα τέταρτο ζαμπόν.
Ναι.
And half a kilo of tomatoes. Μισό κιλό ντομάτες. Ask how much they are. Πόσο κάνουνε?
85 δραχμές.
That's 80, 80, 5, 5, 85 drachmas. For shopping, as for ordering beers and coffees, you'll need to know the numbers so that you can say how many you want. We've already met 1 to 5. We'll go on now with 6 to 10. Listen to them first.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now you try.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now listen to 11 to 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Now try saying them.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
After 20, the numbers work exactly as in English. 25 is 25. 23 is 23, and so on.
Most of the time, when you're out shopping, you'll be able to see what you want and to ask for it.
But if you're not sure whether they have what you want, you'll need to say, μήπως έχετε... Do you have any...
Μήπως έχετε... This next recording was made at one of the kiosks you'll find on almost every street corner. They sell newspapers, books, sweets, in fact a whole variety of things you might just need. Here the customer wants a map. Listen.
Μήπως έχετε χάρτες?
Μάλιστα. Τι χάρτη θέλετε?
Της Αθήνας, παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Πόσο κάνει?
50 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
The customer asked, μήπως έχετε χάρτες? Do you have any maps?
And the answer?
Μήπως έχετε χάρτες?
Μάλιστα. Τι χάρτη θέλετε?
Μάλιστα. Τι χάρτη θέλετε? Certainly. What map do you want? Τι χάρτη θέλετε?
And he wants a map of Athens. Athens in Greek is Athena. If you want to say of Athens, it's της Αθήνας. Listen.
Μήπως έχετε χάρτες?
Μάλιστα. Τι χάρτη θέλετε?
Της Αθήνας, παρακαλώ.
Now you ask, do you have any maps? After Christina.
Μήπως έχετε χάρτες? Μήπως έχετε χάρτες?
And of Athens, please. Της Αθήνας, παρακαλώ. Της Αθήνας, παρακαλώ.
As the girl in the kiosk hands the map over, she says, Oriste. It can either mean something like, yes, what is it? Or it can mean, here you are, when you're handing something over, as in this case. Oriste. Then the customer asks how much it is. Πόσο κάνει?
And the map costs 50 drachmas. 50 δραχμές. Listen.
Ορίστε.
Πόσο κάνει?
50 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Now listen to the whole recording again.
Μήπως έχετε χάρτες?
Μάλιστα. Τι χάρτη θέλετε?
Της Αθήνας, παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Πόσο κάνει?
50 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Now back to the grocery shop. This customer wants half a dozen eggs. Αυγά. After they've said good morning, the shopkeeper asks her what she wants. Τι θέλετε? She asks if he has any eggs. Μήπως έχετε αυγά? Listen.
Καλημέρα σας.
Καλημέρα, τι θέλετε?
Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Μάλιστα, πόσα θέλετε?
6.
Τίποτα άλλο?
Όχι, ευχαριστώ.
First of all, you try. Μήπως έχετε αυγά? Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Now listen again to the shopkeeper's answer.
Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Μάλιστα, πόσα θέλετε?
Μάλιστα. Πόσα θέλετε? Certainly. How many do you want?
Πόσα θέλετε?
And she asked for 6. 6. Listen.
Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Μάλιστα, πόσα θέλετε?
6.
After he has given her the eggs, the shopkeeper goes on to ask her if she wants anything else. Τίποτα άλλο? What does she reply?
Τίποτα άλλο?
Όχι, ευχαριστώ.
Τίποτα άλλο?
The answer is όχι ευχαριστώ. No thank you. You try. Όχι ευχαριστώ. Όχι ευχαριστώ.
Now we listen to the whole of that conversation again. Pay careful attention to what the shopkeeper says. After he says good morning, he asks the customer what she wants. Τι θέλετε? When she asks if he has any eggs, he replies, yes. How many do you want? Μάλιστα. Πόσα θέλετε? And after he gives her the eggs, he wants to know if she'd like anything else. Τίποτα άλλο?
Καλημέρα σας.
Καλημέρα, τι θέλετε?
Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Μάλιστα, πόσα θέλετε?
6.
Τίποτα άλλο?
Όχι, ευχαριστώ.
The sorts of things you need to say and understand are much the same whatever you're buying. The woman in this recording wants petrol for her car.
Βενζίνη, παρακαλώ. Petrol, please. Try saying, βενζίνη, παρακαλώ.
Βενζίνη, παρακαλώ. And then she has to choose between super or ordinary. Listen.
Βενζίνη, παρακαλώ.
Super ή απλή?
Σούπερ.
Super ή απλή. Super or ordinary.
And she decides on super. That's roughly equivalent to 4-star. Απλή, or ordinary, is like 2-star.
The attendant then asks her how much she wants. Πόσο? Remember, posa, how many? Poso is how much.
Βενζίνη παρακαλώ.
Σούπερ ή απλή.
Σούπερ.
Πόσο?
500 δραχμές.
She asks him for 500 drachmas worth. 500 drachmes.
500 drachmes.
So far, we've dealt with numbers up to 20, 20. And from 21 to 29, you just add on the appropriate number. So 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, and so on, up to 29, 29. But you'll soon find you need to understand numbers higher than that. So, first of all, 30, 40, and 50.
30, 40, 50.
You try after Yorgos.
30, 40, 50.
And if it was, for example, 35, it would be 30, 30, pende, 5, 30 pende. It's the same, right up to 100. Just as with the numbers from 21 to 29, you put the two numbers together, as in English.
Now, from 60 to 100.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Now you try after Christina.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Now have a go at recognizing one or two of these higher numbers. We'll give you the Greek twice, and then you tell us what to have in English.
First, 45.
45. That's 45. 45. Now, 73.
73. That's 73. 73. And finally, 84.
84. What's that in English? 84. 84. We'll move on to the hundreds in the next program.
And before then, go over Chapter 2 of the Get By in Greek book, do the exercises, and have a look at Chapter 3. But now, before we go, we'll find out how well you can get by in one or two of the situations we've covered in today's program. Yorgos will play the shopkeeper, and I'll tell you what to say.
Kalimera. Τι θέλετε?
What do you want? Half a kilo of tomatoes. Μισό κιλό ντομάτες.
Μάλιστα.
Half a kilo of ham. Μισό κιλό ζαμπόν.
Ναι.
Ask him if he has any eggs. Μήπως έχετε αυγά?
Μάλιστα. Πόσα θέλετε?
How many? 10. 10.
Τίποτα άλλο?
Tell him no, thank you. Όχι, ευχαριστώ. Now ask him how much they cost. Πόσο κάνουνε?
185.
That's 185. As you give him the money, say thank you. Ευχαριστώ.
Και εγώ ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
You say γεια σας to him. Γεια σας. And from us too, until the next program, γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
End of cassette 1, side 2. Γεια σας.
Γεια σας. Welcome to Get Buying Greek, Program 3.
In this program, we'll be concentrating on the kind of Greek you need when you're booking a hotel room or changing money at the bank.
But first, we'll just go over the numbers from 20 to 100 from Program 2. Counting 20, 30, 40, and so on, it's
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
and the numbers in between are just as in English. 35, for example, 30 is 30, and 5 is 5. So, for 35, it's 35.
See if you can recognize these numbers.
27, 27,
27, 27,
58, 58,
58, 58.
Now booking a room at a hotel. The first recording is quite a long one, but the key word is room. That's δωμάτιο, and rooms is δωμάτια. So, if you wanted to ask, do you have any rooms? Do you have is, μήπως έχετε? Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια? Listen out for it.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Ένα δίκλινο.
Μάλιστα, με μπάνιο?
Ναι,
Για πόσες ημέρες?
3.
Εντάξει, το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
After saying good morning, the tourist asked, μήπως έχετε δωμάτια? Do you have any rooms? Just like, μήπως έχετε χάρτες? Do you have any maps? And, μήπως έχετε αυγά? Do you have any eggs? You try, μήπως έχετε δωμάτια? After Yorgos.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια? Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Now listen out for what the receptionist says.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Βεβαίως, says the receptionist. Of course. Βεβαίως. And then she goes on to ask, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε? What room do you want? Like, τι χάρτη θέλετε? What map do you want? Or, τι καφέ θέλετε? What coffee do you want? Τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
In most hotels, you'll be able to book a double room, ένα δίκλινο, a room with 3 beds, ένα τρίκλινο, and sometimes a single room, ένα μονόκλινο. What is it in this case?
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Ένα δίκλινο.
A double room. Ένα δίκλινο. Have a go at ένα δίκλινο.
Ένα δίκλινο. But before she can offer a room, the receptionist needs some more information.
Μάλιστα, με μπάνιο?
Ναι.
She's asking the woman if she wants a room with a bath. Μάλιστα. Certainly, she says. With a bath? Με μπάνιο? What was the answer?
Μάλιστα, με μπάνιο?
Ναι.
The answer? Ναι. Yes. But the receptionist still has another question. Listen.
Για πόσες ημέρες?
3.
Για πόσες μέρες? For how many days? Μέρα is day and μέρες days. Για πόσες μέρες? For how many days? How long does she want to stay?
Για πόσες ημέρες?
3.
3. 3.
There's still one more formality. Listen.
Εντάξει, το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
First of all, εντάξει. All right or okay. It's a word you'll hear very often in Greece, and one that it's always useful to be able to say as well as to understand. Try εντάξει.
Εντάξει.
Εντάξει. Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ. Διαβατήριο is passport. Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ. Your passport, please.
Εντάξει, το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ is an important phrase to understand. People will often ask you for your passport when you're changing money, renting a car, booking a hotel room, and so on, as well as at the customs. In the hotel, they may keep it overnight to help them fill in the records they have to keep, giving details of their guests.
As she hands her passport over, the tourist says, Oriste, here you are. You try, Oriste.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ. Now listen to the whole of the recording again. This time, listen carefully to the receptionist as she asks the kind of questions you'll need to understand. Τι δωμάτιο θέλετε? What room do you want? Με μπάνιο? With a bath? Για πόσες μέρες? For how many days? And το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ. Passport, please.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Ένα δίκλινο.
Μάλιστα, με μπάνιο?
Ναι.
Για πόσες ημέρες?
3.
Εντάξει, το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
Now listen again, and this time listen out for what you have to say.
Καλημέρα.
Καλημέρα σας.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως, τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Ένα δίκλινο.
Μάλιστα, με μπάνιο?
Ναι.
Για πόσες ημέρες?
3.
Εντάξει, το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
So now it's your turn to book a room. Yorgos will be the receptionist and I'll remind you of what to say. You begin by saying hello. Γεια σας or χαίρετε.
Καλημέρα σας.
Ask if they have any rooms. Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Βεβαίως. Τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
A double. Ένα δίκλινο.
μπάνιο?
Tell him yes. Ναι.
Για πόσες μέρες?
3. 3.
Εντάξει. Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Say, here you are. Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ.
The man trying to book a room in this next recording isn't so lucky. Listen.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε. Είμαστε γεμάτοι.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
This time the answer is δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε. Είμαστε γεμάτοι. Unfortunately, we don't have. We're full. You'll need to listen out carefully for the key words γεμάτι, full, and δυστυχώς, unfortunately. And also for δεν, not. Δεν έχουμε. We do not have. Δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε. Είμαστε γεμάτοι. Listen.
Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε. Είμαστε γεμάτοι.
Hotels in Greece are often booked up at the height of the summer season. So, if you don't want to hear δυστυχώς δεν έχουμε, είμαστε γεμάτοι, you'd be well advised to book in advance. In this next recording, the tourist has learned from his mistake and has reserved a room. He arrives in the evening. Listen out for έχω κλείσει. I've reserved. Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο. I've reserved a room.
Καλησπέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ.
Smith.
Το δωμάτιό σας είναι στο δεύτερο όροφο.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο. I've reserved a room. Listen.
Καλησπέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
You try. Έχω κλείσει.
Έχω κλείσει.
Now try. Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
What happens next? Listen.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ.
Smith.
You may have guessed the receptionist's question from the answer. She wanted to know the tourist's name. Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ. Name, please.
After he's told her his name, she gives him some information about his room. Listen.
Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ.
Smith.
Το δωμάτιό σας είναι στο δεύτερο όροφο.
The key word here is όροφο. She's telling him which floor his room is on. Όροφο is floor. In this case, it's the second. Δεύτερο.
Στο δεύτερο όροφο. On the second floor. On the first floor would have been στον πρώτο όροφο. And on the third floor, στον τρίτο όροφο.
So, first, second, third. Πρώτο, δεύτερο, τρίτο.
In this case, the second. Στο δεύτερο όροφο.
But even when he knows which floor his room is on, the tourist still needs to know his room number. How does he ask? Listen.
Το δωμάτιό σας είναι στο δεύτερο όροφο.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
To find out the number of the room, the tourist asks, τι αριθμό? What number? You have a go at τι αριθμό after yours.
Τι αριθμό? Τι αριθμό?
And it's room 205. 205. Listen.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
Apart from 100, which is 100, all the hundreds end in kosia and begin rather like the numbers 2 to 9, like this.
200, 300, 400, 500, 600,
700, 800, 900.
Now you try.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
To make three-figure numbers, like 255, 766, or whatever, you just say the number for the hundreds, followed by the tens, and then the single figure. There's no and, as there is in English.
So, 156 is 100, 100, followed by 50, 50, followed by 6, 6. 156.
And 398 is 398.
And 205 is 205.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
Now listen to the whole conversation once more. Listen carefully to the receptionist as she asks, "Your name, please? Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ?" And as she tells the tourist that his room is on the second floor, στο δεύτερο όροφο. And then as she gives him his room number, 205.
Καλησπέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ?
Smith.
Το δωμάτιό σας είναι στο δεύτερο όροφο.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Now listen again, this time to what you need to say.
Καλησπέρα σας.
Καλησπέρα.
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
Το όνομά σας παρακαλώ?
Smith.
Το δωμάτιό σας είναι στο δεύτερο όροφο.
Τι αριθμό?
205.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
You'll need to be able to say, "I've booked a room." How do you say that?
Έχω κλείσει ένα δωμάτιο.
And when you want to know the number of your room, how do you say, "What number?"
Τι αριθμό?
When you come back to the hotel, you may need to tell them your room number to get the key. Try saying 456. Remember that 400 is 400.
456. Once you've settled into your hotel, you may well need to change some money. You're only allowed to bring a limited number of drachmas into Greece from Britain, and so one of your first visits may well be to the bank. In many banks in Greece, you can use your banker's card to cash up to £50 in drachmas. But you won't always be able to do this, and it's probably best to take your money with you in traveler's checks.
That's what the tourist in the next recording did. You probably recognize quite a few of the words and expressions by now, so listen to the conversation carefully and see just how much you can understand.
Χαλάτε traveler's checks.
Ναι, βεβαίως.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Ευχαρίστως. Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Not all banks in Greece will change traveler's checks, and so the tourist began by asking, "Do you change traveler's checks?" Halate traveler's checks. Traveler's checks is usually the same in Greek as in English. Try saying, "Halate traveler's checks." χαλάτε traveler's checks? What's the answer? Listen.
Χαλάτε traveler's checks?
Ναι, βεβαίως.
Ne vevers. Yes, of course.
The Greek for pounds is liras. How many does he want to change?
Χαλάτε traveler's checks?
Ναι, βεβαίως.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
50. 50. 50 liras. Have a go at 50 liras.
50 lires.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες. I want to change 50 pounds.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Now try θέλω να χαλάσω.
Θέλω να χαλάσω.
And now θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Listen very carefully to the bank clerk's reply.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Ευχαρίστως. Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
He is not saying thank you, but ευχαρίστως, with pleasure. Notice that the word ends in S, and the emphasis is on the E, not on the O.
Ευχαρίστως. With pleasure. But ευχαριστώ. Thank you.
The bank clerk then asks the customer to sign, please. Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
After the customer has signed the checks, what does the clerk ask next?
Ευχαρίστως. Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
He asks the customer for his passport. Το διαβατήριό σας, παρακαλώ. As he signs and as he hands over his passport, the customer says, Oriste. Here you are.
And so does the clerk as he gives the customer his money.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Now listen to the whole recording again. The main things you'll have to say are χαλάτε traveler's checks. Do you change traveler's checks? And θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες. I want to change 50 pounds.
And when you're listening for the things you'll need to understand and react to, remember, υπογράψτε παρακαλώ. Sign please. And το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ. Passport please.
Χαλάτε traveler's checks?
Ναι, βεβαίως.
Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Ευχαρίστως. Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
Ορίστε.
Ορίστε.
Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
So far, in these Get By in Greek programs, we've gone over the numbers up to 999. You simply put hundreds, tens, and units, one after the other, with no word for and.
The room number in a hotel, for example, was 205. 205.
When you're just counting, the hundreds all end in kosia, diakosia, triakosia. But if you're talking about drachmas, as you may need to in the bank, then they end in kosies, diakosies, triakosies, and so on.
So, 205 drachmas are 205 drachmes.
Going on to the thousands, 1,000 is χίλιες.
2,000 is 2,000. 3,000 is 3,000, and so on.
So, how much is 1,956 δραχμές? 1,956 δραχμές.
That's... 1,956 drachmas.
And if your hotel room cost 2.245 δραχμές, 2.245 δραχμές,
That's 2,245 drachmas.
you'll find all the numbers written out in the Get Buying Greek book, and we'll have a go at recognizing a few more in the next program. But before then, try to read through Chapter 3, do the exercises, and take a look at Chapter 4.
Now, to end with today, we'll find out how well you can get by at the hotel. And first of all, at the bank.
Yorgos will be the bank clerk, and I'll tell you what to say. First of all, hello. Γεια σας, or χαίρετε.
Χαίρετε.
Ask him, do you change traveler's checks? Χαλάτε traveler's checks?
Ναι, βεβαίως.
Tell him you want to change £50. Θέλω να χαλάσω 50 λίρες.
Ευχαρίστως.
With pleasure.
Υπογράψτε παρακαλώ.
What does he want you to do? Sign, please. After you've signed the form, he says,
Το διαβατήριό σας παρακαλώ.
now what does he want? Your passport. He gives you the drachmas and returns your passport. Say thank you and goodbye. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Και εγώ ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας. Now you're looking for rooms. You approach the reception desk in a large hotel. Say hello. Γεια σας or χαίρετε.
Καλησπέρα.
Ask if they have any rooms. Μήπως έχετε δωμάτια?
Μάλιστα. Τι δωμάτιο θέλετε?
Turn of a double. Ένα δίκλινο.
Για πόσες μέρες?
How many days are you staying? 3. 3.
Το διαβατήριό σας, παρακαλώ.
And you say, here you are, as you hand it over. Ορίστε.
In the next program, we go out and about, asking directions when you're finding your way around, and discovering just what you'll need to know when you want to use public transport. Until then, γεια σας.
Γεια σας. Γεια σας.
Welcome to Get Buying Greek, Program 4. Today, finding your way around, asking people the way,
picking out the key words when they give you the directions, and getting around in Greece using public transport.
But first, a couple of prices for you to recognize.
In the last program, we got up well into the thousands, so if you're paying your hotel bill, it may be 8.256 δραχμές.
8.256. What's that?
$8,256. 8.256.
Now, 4.582.
4.582. That's
4,582. 4.582.
And finally, 6.235.
6.235. What's that?
$6,235. 6.235.
But now, finding your way around. This tourist is trying to find out where the museum is. Το μουσείο. Listen.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο παρακαλώ?
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
First, he needs to attract her attention. Συγγνώμη. Excuse me. Συγγνώμη.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο παρακαλώ?
Now try. Συγγνώμη.
Συγγνώμη.
The museum is το μουσείο. Try saying το μουσείο.
Το μουσείο.
But how do you say where is? Listen again.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο παρακαλώ?
He asked, πού είναι το μουσείο?
Where is που είναι. You say it after Yorgos.
Πού είναι? Πού είναι?
Now try που είναι το μουσείο. Listen carefully to Yorgos and try to get the same sound yourself.
Πού είναι το μουσείο? Πού είναι το μουσείο? When it comes to the reply, you really need to listen out for the keywords so that you can get the gist of things.
And if you're asking for directions, two vital keywords will be left and right. Left is αριστερά and right is δεξιά.
That's αριστερά, left, and δεξιά, right.
Now listen to the recording again and concentrate on what the girl says. Does she tell him to turn left and then right or right and then left?
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο παρακαλώ?
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Right and left or left and right?
Left and then right. Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά. Left followed by right.
Now, to make sure you've got the idea, Yorgos will give you directions to a restaurant. Don't worry about the details. Just work out whether you have to turn right or left.
Θα στρίψετε στο πρώτο στενό αριστερά.
Right or left? Left. Θα στρίψετε στο πρώτο στενό αριστερά.
But there are other keywords to listen out for when you're finding your way, as well as left and right. You'll often hear the word στενό. Here it means a side street.
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
And το δεύτερο στενό, the second street. Δεύτερο is second. Πρώτο is first. And τρίτο, third.
So now listen carefully for Το δεύτερο στενό, the second street, and το πρώτο, the first, in the girl's reply.
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
He has to take the second street and then the first. Put those instructions together with the words for left and right, and you can work out how to get to the museum.
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά, the second street on the left,
Και and το πρώτο δεξιά, the first right.
take the second street on the left, followed by the first on the right.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο παρακαλώ?
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
Now here's the same man asking the way to Syntagma, one of the main squares in Athens.
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
He asked, πού είναι το Σύνταγμα? Listen again.
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Now first of all try το Σύνταγμα.
Το Σύνταγμα.
Now ask, πού είναι το Σύνταγμα?
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα?
There's another key phrase in the answer. Στη γωνία, at the corner. Try to pick it out.
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Στη γωνία. Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία. It's left at the corner. Στη γωνία. Θα στρίψετε, by the way, is you turn. But it's much more important to concentrate on the key directions than to try to understand every single word. Which way next? Listen.
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά. There are three key words there. Τρίτο στενό δεξιά. A street on the right, στενό δεξιά, and this time it's the third. Τρίτο. The third street on the right.
Και μετά is and after that. But remember, the key words are τρίτο στενό δεξιά. The third street on the right.
He has to turn left at the corner and then take the third street on the right.
Actually, the tourist has picked a passerby who speaks quite quickly. It's sometimes useful to be able to say, speak a bit slower, please. How does he do it?
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Πιο αργά παρακαλώ.
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
He just says, πιο αργά παρακαλώ. More slowly, please. You try it after Yorgos.
Πιο αργά παρακαλώ. Πιο αργά παρακαλώ.
Now listen to the recording again. Listen out as the tourist asks the passerby to speak more slowly. But concentrate as well on trying to recognize the key words as he explains the directions.
Πού είναι το Σύνταγμα παρακαλώ?
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Πιο αργά παρακαλώ.
Θα στρίψετε αριστερά στη γωνία και μετά το τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
If you know exactly where you're looking for, like Syntagma Square or the museum, or maybe a particular hotel you've been recommended, then asking πού είναι is fine. But you might just want to know if there's a bank, say, or a chemist or a hotel in the area. You'll need to ask, is there a nearby?
So, looking for a hotel, the word for hotel is ξενοδοχείο. It begins with x. Listen carefully to Yorgos and then have a go at saying ξενοδοχείο.
Ξενοδοχείο. Ξενοδοχείο.
Now, listen for it in this recording.
Συγγνώμη, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά?
Ναι, βέβαια. Ευθεία στο δεύτερο στενό δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
The tourist asks, συγγνώμη, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο? Υπάρχει is there is, or in this case, is there. Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο? Is there a hotel? What else did he ask?
Συγγνώμη, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά?
Εδώ κοντά. Εδώ is here, and κοντά near or nearby. So, εδώ κοντά, near here. And, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά? Is there a hotel near here?
Now try saying, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο, after Christina.
Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο. Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο.
Now, εδώ κοντά.
Εδώ κοντά.
And the whole question. Listen carefully to Christina.
Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά? Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά? And what's the answer? Listen out for a new keyword. Ευθεία. Straight on.
Συγγνώμη, υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά?
Ναι, βέβαια. Ευθεία στο δεύτερο στενό δεξιά.
Ναι, βέβαια. Yes, of course.
And the key words, ευθεία, στο δεύτερο στενό δεξιά, that's straight on and the second street on the right.
Ναι, βέβαια. Ευθεία στο δεύτερο στενό δεξιά.
So far today, we found out how to say, excuse me, συγγνώμη. How to ask, where is the museum, please? Πού είναι το μουσείο, παρακαλώ? Or, is there a hotel nearby? Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά? And how to say, more slowly, please. Πιο αργά, παρακαλώ.
And you can recognize the keywords αριστερά, left, δεξιά, right, and ευθεία, straight on.
Στενό, street, and στη γωνία, at the corner. And the words for first, second, and third. Πρώτο, δεύτερο, τρίτο.
Now, how well can you cope finding your way around? You've just arrived in a small Greek town, and you need to find a hotel. Yorgos is passing by, so you decide to ask him. How do you attract his attention? Συγγνώμη. Ask him if there's a hotel nearby. Υπάρχει ξενοδοχείο εδώ κοντά?
Θα στρίψετε στο τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
That was just too fast to understand. Ask him to speak slower, please. Πιο αργά, παρακαλώ.
Θα στρίψετε στο τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
Which way? Listen again and pick out the keywords.
Θα στρίψετε στο τρίτο στενό δεξιά.
That's the third street on the right. Στο τρίτο στενό δεξιά. Now ask him where the museum is. Πού είναι το μουσείο? Now listen out for the keywords.
Θα πάτε δεξιά στη γωνία και μετά το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά.
That's right at the corner, δεξιά στη γωνία, second street on the left, δεύτερο στενό αριστερά. End of cassette 2, side 1. Program 4 continues on cassette 2, side 2. When you visit Greece, it's well worth traveling around, getting to know the country and the people. You can go by train, το τρένο, by plane, το αεροπλάνο, by car, το αυτοκίνητο, or by bus, το λεωφορείο,
or to the islands by boat, το πλοίο or το καράβι. There's a scheduled service to a wide range of places in Greece.
The woman in this next recording is inquiring about boats to Samos, a large, very beautiful island near the Turkish coast. Listen for the word for boat, καράβι.
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
7:30 το πρωί.
Και τι ώρα φτάνει?
5 το απόγευμα.
Εντάξει.
So, το καράβι για τη Σάμο. The boat for Samos.
Το καράβι για τη Σάμο. But there's more to it than that. Listen.
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
7:30 το πρωί.
Τι ώρα φεύγει? Ώρα is hour, or time. So, τι ώρα, what time, and τι ώρα φεύγει, what time does it leave, τι ώρα φεύγει.
You say, τι ώρα φεύγει.
Τι ώρα φεύγει.
Now, what time does the boat leave? Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι?
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι.
So her first question is when does the boat for Samos leave? What's her next question?
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
7:30 το πρωί.
Και τι ώρα φτάνει?
So next, τι ώρα φτάνει. What time does it arrive? Φτάνει. You say, τι ώρα φτάνει.
Τι ώρα φτάνει?
What time does it arrive? Listen.
Και τι ώρα φτάνει?
5 το απόγευμα.
Εντάξει.
5 το απόγευμα. 5 is 5. Το απόγευμα?
The early evening. Το απόγευμα. The boat arrives at 5 in the evening. 5 το απόγευμα.
Now, going back to the time the boat leaves.
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
7:30 το πρωί.
It leaves 7:30 το πρωί. 7 is like 7, 7, and μισή is half. So, 7:30 is 7:30.
And το πρωί is in the morning. The boat leaves at 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 το πρωί. The woman finds those times are okay. Εντάξει.
We'll hear the whole of that conversation again. But first, have a go at saying, τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι για τη Σάμο?
7:30 το πρωί.
Και τι ώρα φτάνει?
5 το απόγευμα.
Εντάξει.
If you're intending to travel by bus and you want to know what time it leaves, you'll ask, τι ώρα φεύγει το λεωφορείο? What time does the bus leave? Try το λεωφορείο.
Το λεωφορείο.
Now try asking, τι ώρα φεύγει το λεωφορείο?
Τι ώρα φεύγει το λεωφορείο?
This next woman is going to Sunio, a favorite tourist spot about 2 hours from Athens, with a friend. What she's interested in is το λεωφορείο για το Σούνιο, the bus for Sunio. She's not asking what time it departs though. Guess what she is asking.
Από πού φεύγει το λεωφορείο για το Σούνιο?
Από την πλατεία Αιγύπτου.
Not τι ώρα φεύγει this time, but από πού φεύγει. Που, you know, is where, and από is from. So, από πού, from where. She's asking, where does the bus for Sunio leave from? Try saying, από πού φεύγει?
Από πού φεύγει?
In this case, από πού φεύγει το λεωφορείο για το Σούνιο?
Από πού φεύγει το λεωφορείο για το Σούνιο?
Από την πλατεία Αιγύπτου.
It leaves from Platia Aegyptou, Egypt Square, near the Archaeological Museum in Athens. You'll often hear Platia, Square.
When the woman and her friend arrive at Platia Aegyptou, they discover that lots of buses start from there. They find the one that says Sunio on the front, but decide to double-check. Listen carefully to what she asks now.
Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
Μάλιστα.
Τι ώρα φεύγει?
Σε 10 λεπτά περίπου.
She asks, για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό? Does this go to Sunio? Αυτό is this, and πάει is goes. First, listen to Yorgos, and then you ask, για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό? Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
And the reply? Listen.
Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
Μάλιστα.
Μάλιστα. Yes, it does. What was her next question?
Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
Μάλιστα.
Τι ώρα φεύγει?
Σε 10 λεπτά περίπου.
She asked, τι ώρα φεύγει? What time does it leave?
The answer was, σε 10 λεπτά περίπου. 10, 10, but not 10 o'clock in this case. Λεπτά is minutes, although it can be money. Se is in. So, he's telling her that it leaves in 10 minutes. Σε 10 λεπτά.
Τι ώρα φεύγει?
Σε 10 λεπτά περίπου.
Σε 10 λεπτά περίπου. In about 10 minutes.
Για το Σούνιο πάει αυτό?
Μάλιστα.
Τι ώρα φεύγει?
Σε 10 λεπτά περίπου.
Now that they're satisfied it is the right bus, the woman and her friend get on and ask the conductor for 2 to Sunio.
2 για το Σούνιο παρακαλώ. Πόσο κάνουνε?
260 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
2 για το Σούνιο παρακαλώ. 2 to Sunio, please. You ask for 2 για το Σούνιο παρακαλώ.
Δύο για το Σούνιο, παρακαλώ. Ask how much they cost. Πόσο κάνουνε? Πόσο κάνουνε?
Listen again and try to work out how much the 2 tickets do cost.
2 για το Σούνιο παρακαλώ. Πόσο κάνουνε?
260 δραχμές.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
They cost 260 δραχμές. $260 drachmas.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ. Now, before the next program, try to read through chapter 4 in the Get By in Greek book, do the exercises, and have a look at chapter 5.
But before we go, How well can you cope with public transport in Greece?
You've decided to go to Samos for a week, and you go to a travel agency to book tickets for the boat.
First, ask for 2 for Samos, please. For Samos is γιατί Samo. Δύο γιατί Samo, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Now ask what time does the boat leave. Τι ώρα φεύγει το καράβι?
Οχτώμιση το πρωί.
What time is that? 8:30 in the morning. You now want to know what time it arrives. How do you ask? Τι ώρα φτάνει?
4 το απόγευμα.
What time does it arrive? 4 in the afternoon. You need to pay for your tickets. Ask how much they cost. Πόσο κάνουνε?
1850.
How much is that? $1,850. Now say, that's okay. Εντάξει.
In the final program, we'll be finding out about the Greek you need to know when you go out for a meal in a taverna or have lunch in a restaurant.
And we'll also be finding out how to order a quick snack.
Until then, γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Γεια σας.
Welcome to Get By in Greek, Program 5. In this final program, we'll be finding out about what you need to understand and say when you're eating out in a restaurant or a taverna, or when you want a quick snack.
Normally, a taverna is open just in the evenings. It's a typical place for a night out, and Greeks themselves go there to eat and talk with their friends. The choice of main dishes is fairly limited, but they're all cooked to order, and there's a wide variety of starters. Sometimes they'll be singing, and some tavernas will have live music and dancing, a chance to learn a few Greek dances.
The restaurant, το εστιατόριο, on the other hand, is open at lunchtime as well as in the evenings. They have a wide selection of ready-cooked dishes, so you don't have to wait while they prepare your food.
And that's where we'll begin today, in the εστιατόριο. Listen.
Γεια σας.
Χαίρετε.
Τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες και μία χωριάτικη.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Μισό κιλό κρασί και νερό.
Αμέσως.
The first thing the customer asked for was the menu, τον κατάλογο.
Γεια σας.
Χαίρετε.
Τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
You try τον κατάλογο.
Τον κατάλογο.
Now, τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
Τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
The waiter says αμέσως, straight away, and gives her a menu. What does he ask her then?
Τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
He asks, τι θα φάτε? We've already met, τι θα πάρετε? What will you have? In an earlier program. But here it's fate, eat. Τι θα φάτε? What will you eat? What does she want to eat?
Τι θα φάτε?
Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες και μία χωριάτικη.
She decides on ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες. Chicken with potatoes. Patates, potatoes, is similar to the English. Με πατάτες, with potatoes. Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες. Chicken with potatoes. First try ένα κοτόπουλο.
Ένα κοτόπουλο.
Now, με πατάτες.
Με πατάτες.
Now try ordering ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες.
Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες.
But she wanted something besides her chicken and potatoes. What else did she order?
Τι θα φάτε?
Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες και μία χωριάτικη.
She asked for μία χωριάτικη, a mixed salad. That's tomato and cucumber with feta cheese and olives. It's really called μία χωριάτικη σαλάτα. But people leave out salad, and just call it μία χωριάτικη. And it's delicious. Actually, in summer, there'll be a choice of tomato salad and cucumber and tomato salad, as well as χωριάτικη.
Now you order a mixed salad after Christina.
Μία χωριάτικη.
Μία χωριάτικη.
Now listen to the waiter's next question.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Μισό κιλό κρασί και νερό.
Αμέσως.
Τι θα πιείτε? Again, the same pattern as τι θα πάρετε and τι θα φάτε. Τι θα πιείτε? What will you drink?
And she asks for wine and some water. First, wine. Κρασί. Listen.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Μισό κιλό κρασί και νερό.
Αμέσως.
Κρασί. Wine. Krasi will probably get you the draft house wine, which is likely to be white Tretsina. Well worth trying. In Greeks order the wine by weight. The customer here asked for miso kilo, half a kilo, about half a liter. Miso kilo krasi. Try that. Miso kilo krasi.
Μισό κιλό κρασί. And she also asked for some water.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Μισό κιλό κρασί και νερό.
Αμέσως.
Whatever you have in Greece, from a cup of coffee to a full meal, you nearly always get a glass of water served with it. But if there isn't water on the table, you'll need to ask for nero parakalo. Try saying nero parakalo.
Νερό, παρακαλώ. Now listen to the whole of the order again. After the customer has asked for the menu, τον κατάλογο, the waiter asks, τι θα φάτε? What will you eat? And τι θα πιείτε? What will you drink?
Γεια σας.
Χαίρετε.
Τον κατάλογο παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
Ένα κοτόπουλο με πατάτες και μία χωριάτικη.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Μισό κιλό κρασί και νερό.
Αμέσως.
When it comes to paying the bill, you may need to call for το λογαριασμό, παρακαλώ. Listen.
Το λογαριασμό παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. 220 δραχμές.
Ορίστε, ευχαριστώ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Try saying «το λογαριασμό παρακαλώ» after Yorgos.
Τον λογαριασμό παρακαλώ. Τον λογαριασμό παρακαλώ.
Now listen to the recording again and try to work out how much the bill is.
Το λογαριασμό παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. 220 δραχμές.
Ορίστε, ευχαριστώ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
The meal cost 220 drachmes. What's that? $220 drachmas.
As she pays, she says «Ορίστε, here you are». Ευχαριστώ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ.
Το λογαριασμό παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. 220 δραχμές.
Ορίστε, ευχαριστώ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.
Now it's your turn to order lunch. Yorgos will be the waiter, and I'll tell you what to ask for. First, say hello. Γεια σας, or χαίρετε.
Χαίρετε.
Ask him for the menu, please. Τον κατάλογο, παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
Chicken, please. Ένα κοτόπουλο, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
And a mixed salad. And is και. Και μία χωριάτικη.
Μάλιστα. Τι θα πιείτε?
Half a kilo of wine. Μισό κιλό κρασί.
Μάλιστα. Αμέσως.
After the meal, it's time to pay the bill. Ask for it. Το λογαριασμό, παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως.
Listen as he writes each item down. How much do you have to pay?
Ένα κοτόπουλο, μία χωριάτικη και μισό κιλό κρασί. 210 δραχμές.
It comes to 210 drachmas. 210 δραχμές. As you give him the money, say, here you are, thank you. Ορίστε, ευχαριστώ.
Εγώ ευχαριστώ.
At lunchtime, you may prefer a light snack to a full meal. There are lots of snack bars in Athens and cities in the provinces where you can get things like a tiropita, cheese pie, or a spanakopita, a spinach pie, usually to take away and eat as you walk, though you can sometimes sit down and eat them there.
And many snack bars now serve sandwiches and toasted sandwiches.
This man is ordering a toasted ham and cheese sandwich.
Παρακαλώ. Ένα τόστ με ζαμπόν και τυρί, παρακαλώ. Καθίστε.
Here, παρακαλώ is something like, can I help you?
A toasted sandwich is simply ένα toast. Try it after Christina.
Ένα toast. Ένα toast.
Tiri is cheese, and you already know that zambon is ham. So, me zambon και tiri is with ham and cheese. You try. Me zambon και tiri.
Με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
Now order ένα toast με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
Ένα τόστ με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
If he just wanted a ham and cheese sandwich, he'd have ordered ένα sandwich με ζαμπόν και τυρί. Try. Ένα sandwich με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
Ένα σάντουιτς με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
After he's taken the order, the man in the snack bar asks the customer to take a seat. Καθίστε.
Παρακαλώ.
Ένα τόστ με ζαμπόν και τυρί, παρακαλώ.
Καθίστε.
Sometimes they'll actually ask you whether you want to eat your food on the premises or take it with you. This time the customer wants a tiropita, a cheese pie. Listen.
Παρακαλώ.
Μία τυρόπιτα, παρακαλώ.
Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
Εδώ.
First of all, he has to say what he wants when he's asked παρακαλώ. You try. Μία τυρόπιτα, παρακαλώ.
Μία τυρόπιτα, παρακαλώ.
Then the waiter asks another question. Listen.
Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
Εδώ.
He asks, θα τη φάτε εδώ? Will you eat it here? Ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας? Or will you take it with you?
The key words in this case are εδώ, here, and μαζί σας, with you. Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
What does the customer decide to do? Listen again.
Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
Εδώ.
He decides to eat his tiropita εδώ, here. Now listen once more and pay attention to how the man asks, will you eat it here or will you take it with you?
Παρακαλώ.
Μία τυρόπιτα, παρακαλώ.
Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
Εδώ.
If you've only managed to snack at lunchtime, you should definitely make for a taverna in the evening. They're open from about 9 through till 2 and 3 in the morning. Things are slightly different from the estiatorio. You won't find any ready-cooked dishes. The main courses will be meat, or sometimes fish, cooked specially for you over a charcoal grill.
Tavernas have a wide range of starters, called orektika, or mezedes. When there's a group of you eating out, it's probably best to order a variety of these mezedes, and you can eat and drink for some time before deciding on a main course. People often go to spend the whole evening at a taverna, so there's no great rush, and they may order a few extra mezedes before going on to the next course. They may even eat so well on the mezedes that there's no room for the main dish.
Most tavernas don't bother with the menu. The waiter will come over to your table and go through the list of mezedes available, and then the list of main dishes, which are much the same in all tavernas.
So it's probably not much good asking for το κατάλογο παρακαλώ in a taverna. The waiter will usually ask what you want to drink first. Remember, τι θα πιείτε, and then come back later to take the food order.
Because they're out for the evening, people don't expect immediate service in a taverna, especially if they have enough beer or wine to keep them happy. The two customers in this next recording already have their wine.
When the waiter returns to get the order for their food, they want to know what he has for starters. Remember that there are two words for starters, orektika and mezedes.
Τι θα φάτε?
Για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε?
Τζατζίκι, κολοκυθάκια, μελιτζάνες, χταποδάκι, τυροπιτάκια, σαλάτα χωριάτικη.
Ωραία. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες.
Μετά, τι θα φάτε?
Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια και ένα σουβλάκι.
Μάλιστα.
How did she ask what he had for starters? Listen again.
Τι θα φάτε?
Για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε?
She asked, για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε? For starters, what do you have? You try. Για ορεκτικά.
Για ορεκτικά.
Now, για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε?
Για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε? The answer is a list that can sometimes be overwhelming. At this taverna, there's tzatziki, a mixture of yogurt and garlic and sometimes cucumber, κολοκυθάκια, courgette, μελιτζάνες, aubergine, χταποδάκι, octopus, τυροπιτάκια, small cheese pies, and a mixed salad. This waiter calls it salata χωριάτικη.
Για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε?
Τζατζίκι, κολοκυθάκια, μελιτζάνες, χταποδάκι, τυροπιτάκια, σαλάτα χωριάτικη.
You'll soon start recognizing all the possible choices after one or two visits to a taverna. And in an estiatorio, as well as in a taverna, you may well find yourself invited into the kitchen to see what they have. It's not treatment reserved for foreigners because they don't know the language. Greeks themselves very often go into the kitchen to decide what looks good before they order.
If you haven't tried Greek ορεκτικά before and don't know which you prefer, you may want to ask the waiter to bring a few so that you can sample them. That's what the woman in the recording did. She asked him to bring μερικούς μεζέδες, a few μεζέδες. Try saying μερικούς μεζέδες.
Μερικούς μεζέδες.
Για ορεκτικά, τι έχετε?
Τζατζίκι, κολοκυθάκια, μελιτζάνες, χταποδάκι, τυροπιτάκια, σαλάτα χωριάτικη.
Ωραία. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες.
Ωραία is fine. Fine. Bring us a few μεζέδες. Ωραία. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες. You try. Φέρτε μας. Bring us. After Christina.
Φέρτε μας. Φέρτε μας.
Now try. Bring us a few μεζέδες. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες.
Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες. Once the starters are organized, the waiter wants to know what they're going to have afterwards. Μετά.
Μετά, τι θα φάτε?
Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια και ένα σουβλάκι.
Μάλιστα.
Brizola is a cutlet. You can usually order a veal cutlet, moscharissia, brizola moscharissia, as the woman does, or a pork cutlet, chirini, brizola chirini. Try ordering μία brizola.
Μία μπριζόλα.
Now ask for μία brizola moscharissia. Μία brizola moscharissia.
Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια. Or you can just ask for μία μοσχαρίσια.
The other dish he orders is ένα souvlaki. This is small pieces of meat grilled on a skewer. Souvlaki in fact means skewer. Again, you can have either veal or pork on your souvlaki. You say, ένα σουβλάκι.
Ένα σουβλάκι.
Μετά τι θα φάτε?
Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια και ένα σουβλάκι.
Μάλιστα.
Now listen to the whole recording again.
Τι θα φάτε?
Για ορεκτικά τι έχετε?
Τζατζίκι, κολοκυθάκια, μελιτζάνες, χταποδάκι, τυροπιτάκια, σαλάτα χωριάτικη.
Ωραία. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες.
Μετά τι θα φάτε?
Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια και ένα σουβλάκι.
Μάλιστα.
Now we'll find out how well you can get by in a taverna. But before that, we'll try ordering a snack. Yorgos will be the owner, and I'll tell you what to order.
Παρακαλώ.
A toasted sandwich with ham and cheese. Ένα toast με ζαμπόν και τυρί.
Μάλιστα.
And a cheese pie, please. And is και. Και μία τυρόπιτα, παρακαλώ.
Θα τη φάτε εδώ ή θα την πάρετε μαζί σας?
He's asking you whether you want to eat it here or take it with you. Tell him here. Εδώ.
Καθίστε.
What's he saying? Take a seat. Now we'll move on to the taverna. Once again, Yorgos will be the waiter.
Τι θα πιείτε?
Remember, that's what will you drink? Order half a kilo of wine. Μισό κιλό κρασί.
Τι θα φάτε?
Ask him what they have for starters. Ορεκτικά. Για ορεκτικά τι έχετε?
Τζατζίκι, κολοκυθάκια, μελιτζάνες, χταποδάκι, τυροπιτάκια, σαλάτα χωριάτικη.
Ask him to bring a few mezedes. Remember, φέρτε μας. Bring us. Φέρτε μας μερικούς μεζέδες.
Μάλιστα. Μετά τι θα φάτε?
A veal cutlet. Μία μπριζόλα μοσχαρίσια.
Αμέσως.
By now, you should be able to get by in all the situations we started out with in the first program.
Buying a cup of coffee.
Τι θα πάρετε?
Ένα καφέ, παρακαλώ.
Τι καφέ θέλετε?
Μέτριο.
Αμέσως.
Going shopping.
Ένα μπουκάλι ρετζίνα, παρακαλώ.
Μάλιστα.
Πόσο κάνει?
80 δραχμές.
Eating out.
Τον κατάλογο, παρακαλώ.
Αμέσως. Τι θα φάτε?
And finding your way around.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο, παρακαλώ?
Το δεύτερο στενό αριστερά και το πρώτο δεξιά.
Ευχαριστώ.
Παρακαλώ.
And you can change money at the bank, book a hotel room, and use public transport.
But the best way to test yourself is to take a trip to Greece. So, have a good journey, καλό ταξίδι, and from us, adioses.
Adioses.
Here are the words you can find written out at the beginning of the reference section in the Get By in Greek book.
If you look at them as you listen, you should find you'll soon become familiar with the Greek alphabet.
After each word, you may like to stop the tape and try saying it out loud. 1.
Café.
Café.
2.
Bira.
Bira.
3.
Zambon.
Zambon.
4.
6.
6.
5.
Αυτό.
Αυτό.
6.
Αυγά.
Αυγά.
7.
Ψωμί.
Ψωμί.
8.
Θέλω.
Θέλω.
9.
Γάλα.
Γάλα.
10.
Γλυκό.
Γλυκό.
11.
5.
5.
12.
Κέντρο.
Κέντρο.
13.
Ζεστό.
Ζεστό.
14.
Γκαρσόν.
Γκαρσόν.
15.
Κλειστό.
Κλειστό.
16.
Ανοιχτό.
Ανοιχτό.
17.
Φεύγει.
Φεύγει.
18.
Μπουκάλι.
Μπουκάλι.
19.
Λεμόνι.
Λεμόνι.
20.
Αθήνα.
Αθήνα.
21.
Αγγλία.
Αγγλία.
22.
Βεβαίως.
Βεβαίως.
23.
Γεμάτη.
Γεμάτη.
24.
Μουσείο.
Μουσείο.
25.
Ντομάτες.
Ντομάτες.
26.
Χαίρετε.
Χαίρετε.
27.
Ευχαριστώ.
Ευχαριστώ.
28.
Παρακαλώ.
Παρακαλώ.
29.
Δωμάτιο.
Δωμάτιο.
30.
Καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα.
31.
Ξενοδοχείο.
Ξενοδοχείο.
32.
Λεωφορείο.
Λεωφορείο.
33.
Με συγχωρείτε.
Με συγχωρείτε. And now some phrases for emergencies. You can find them written out at the back of the Get By in Greek book.
Be careful.
Προσοχή.
Προσοχή.
Call a doctor.
Φωνάξτε ένα γιατρό.
Φωνάξτε ένα γιατρό.
Do you speak English?
Μιλάτε αγγλικά?
Μιλάτε αγγλικά?
Help.
Βοήθεια.
Βοήθεια.
I don't understand.
Δεν κατάλαβα.
Δεν κατάλαβα.
I'm lost.
Χάθηκα.
Χάθηκα.
I've lost.
Έχασα.
Έχασα.
Look out.
Πρόσεξε.
Πρόσεξε.
Police.
Αστυνομία.
Αστυνομία.
End of cassette 2, side 2.